Hello everyone, this is Scorpion from How to Do. This is the second part on how to make a menu inside of Unity using Playmaker. In the previous video we made this, but in this video we will see how to make the level selection system in our menu. So it will look something like this. So if we say play game, there will be 3 levels over here. You can make as many as you can, but I just made 3 because it takes a lot of time. So there are 3 levels, 1, 2 and 3, and there is this back button, so we can go back to the main menu and then we can select the levels. So if I say level 2, the level 2 is this one. Alright, and if I play again, go play the game, level 1, so level 1 is this one. And if I say level 3, the level 3 is this one. Bam. So how to make all of this? So let's get started. Let me just get back to the tutorial scene. In the previous video we made this, just this, so that when we say play game, the game starts. No level selection, no nothing, and yeah, awesome game. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to come to our canvas, which we made in the previous video. So if you want to see the previous video, go ahead, click the link in the description box below and see that first. We want to rename this canvas to main menu, because this will be our main menu. And then we can go ahead and duplicate this one, and we can disable the main menu like from here, and we can say this one is the level selection menu. So this will be our level selection menu. There we go. Now in this we want to go ahead and delete the delete these 3 strips. We don't need them, and we can make this guy a little bigger so that it comes right inside the scene, and we can make it little lighter so that it looks little better. There we go. Awesome. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and delete one of the button. I will delete this one, and let's just rename this option bar to back, because this will act as our back button. And we can go ahead, go inside, and also rename this one to back, and then we can come in here and set the name to back as well. And I want to go ahead and do that, and also do that. And you can see the button is little up, so let's just bring the button down. Take this guy and make this little up. Awesome. And make this small, and then make this one big. There we go. And then we can increase the font size so that it gets matched up in here. There we go. So it looks good. Now we can take this guy, make it little small here, and then make it like this so that it's looking better now, right? Okay, now we can take this back button to the lower left, like over here, and then we can bring this guy over here I guess. There we go. Awesome. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and duplicate this guy, and bring it up over here and make it in the center over here like that. Bring it inside the center, and I will call this one level 1. There we go. Inside we go, and we also say level 1. Bam, like that. And then we can also come in here and also call this level 1. Now you can see it comes right in the center, but I want to make it in the little left like this, so it's on the left. Now we can set it from here, and now what we can do is we can go ahead and duplicate this one, and it will come in center, and we will call this level 2. Go inside, also call this level 2, also come in here, Also call this level 2. There we go. So level 1, level 2. Do the same thing for level 3, and you can make as many as you want. I will make only 3 ones. Come in here and also set it to left like that, so it comes right in left, and call this level 3. Come in here, text mesh pro, level 3. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to go to level 1, and if we go ahead, come in here, and that we made in our previous video, that when we play the game, on click on level 1, it goes to load level 1. So we want to go ahead and go to level 2, and I want to go ahead and change the name to from level 1 to level 2. This is the name of the scene, and we are going to make the scene right now in a little time. Let's just do the same thing over here. Come in here and say level 3, and now we can make the scenes of this name. So save the scene over here, and then I'm gonna come over here, delete these 2 scenes which I made for you guys, delete that, and come in level 1 which we made in the previous video. Here we go, and as you can see, this is the level 1, right? Now what we can do is we can take the character, and you can change the scene whatever you want. I will just change the position of the character. So in the level 2, our character will come over here, and let's say save scene as, and I will say level, and here's level 1. We changed the name to level 2, so let's say level 2, and there we go. This is level 1 and this is level 2. Now we can continue changing the position of the character, like it comes over here, and we can call this one a save scene as level 3. There we go. So level 1, 2, 3, all of them done, and then we can go file, build settings, and then drag and drop the level 2 and level 3 in here, and yeah, that's that. Then we can come back to menu test, or no, which one was that? It was tutorial menu, right? Yes, tutorial menu. So we have to go to file, build settings, and drag and drop our tutorial menu in here and delete that one. So awesome, save the scene, and now what we can do is, as you can see, when we play the game, if everything is working correctly, we can go level 2. There we go, level 2 is turned on, and if we go ahead and say level 3, there we go, level 3, and if we say level 1, bam, level 1 is start. Awesome. Now we want to go ahead and make this back button, but before we do that, we want to set this thing up first. Where is it? There we go. So when we say play game, we don't want to go ahead and play the game right away. We want to go ahead and go to the level selection scene. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete this one, and we want to say activate game object, and the game object we want to activate is the level selection, this one. Drag and drop it here, and we will gonna activate it, and the same time we are going to deactivate the main menu, so that something like this will happen. Like when we play, when we select the play game, this will be enabled and this will be disabled, so the menu actually changes like that. So that's awesome. Alright, let's just check that out. Save the scene, check that out quickly. If we say play the game, there we go, we can come to this level selection. Now we have to set the back button, so we're going to do the same thing actually. Come in here, delete that one, activate game object, and we are going to do the converse this time. Specify game object, and we are going to enable the main menu right now and disable the level selection menu. There we go. So that will do it. Let's just save the scene, and there we go. So now if you see, if we say play game, there we go, we can come to level selection. We can also come back and do that, and then if we say level 1, we can select the level 1 and do the same with the level 2 and level 3. So this is level 2 and this is level 3. There we go. Awesome. And yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, then subscribe to my channel, which is how to do. And I hope the next video will be on how to unlock the levels. Like if we say play game, then these two levels will be locked, and when we finish one level, then the other will be unlocked, and then when we play the second level, then the third level will be unlocked. So how to make that system, I will also tell you guys how to do that in the next video. Till then, be cool. So that was that for today's video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, be cool.